this is Barry from Quicksilver in a very comfortable place to be in the world. A Ferrari F12 in motion with none other than the OG of Quicksilver exhaust. The name, face behind the name as it were. Mr. Paul Goddard. Are you calling me? Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, this is a new system for Ferrari F12, and we are just about to enter a tunnel. So let us know what you think of the sound of this. As usual, we let our systems do the talking, which I think that one sounded pretty good. It did some good talking there. What is actually underneath at the moment on this car?
This has got our new 100% titanium system, which saves about 16 kilos from the back of the car. It's got the titanium centre section with an X-pipe and our Sound Architect rear silencers, which have a much quieter note when the valves are shut, and a much louder note and a much greater range of notes when the valves are open.
Yeah. And so this uses actually the car's own OEM valve functionality.
Yes, that's right, it does. And the valves remain shut at small throttle opening and below 3,000 revs. Once it goes above 3,000 and you push the throttle down, they open and you've got the full fat sound.
The full fat sound, yeah. So there you have it, the wonderful Ferrari F12, a Quicksilver in-house vehicle at the moment. Sounds delightful, I think. Better than delightful. Race car loud when you want it, civilised when you need it, which is important. This system fits the F12 GTS and what was it, Paul?
812 Superfast.
Yes.
And the 812 GTS.
Yes, I got the second one right, which is good, but yeah, the first one. But yeah, so it fits both models. Sounds amazing, 100% titanium, so it's ultra light, ultra cool, works with the OEM valve functionality, not to be missed. Let us know what you think, okay? Speak to you soon, bye.